kami, Myanmar.
Minute addition, Myanmar.
Yeah!
Let's hear from the Philippines. I think they can do it once again. Let's hear it from the Philippines.
It's not like we're hosting this competition, right? What do you think? Okay.
What about Timor-Leste? Do we have a representative from Timor-Leste here? They're outside. They're still eating there. Anyway, so what is really the mechanics of a competition this afternoon?
So we didn't really deviate from the previous competition. So what we're going to do is we already have the order of the contestants. We selected them earlier. We had them from us for the order. And
Asian family, mga kadamay.
for the voting. Each country has 5 ballots. Please send in your ballots. I'm asking one representative from each mission to take a ballot from the table. And then we will collect the ballots after the last person has rendered the song. Please just give your ballots to the table, or we will have some.
Yeah, so once again, we need one representative per country to actually get your ballots over there. So you may pick it up so that you're ready for the next round of the competition. Make sure you have 5 ballots.
Temple of Thailand to mga kadamay.
Alright.
So, colleagues,
host Filipino pa rin. Every year mayroong ganitong event. Lahat ng Asia dito sa Amerika.
A warm-up song from the Philippines.
Panty.
Are you excited about that?
Asian
Once
Day.
again, to get this competition rolling, please welcome a special number from the Philippines.
The song is Umaga Marina, which in English.
Oh, wonderful morning. That's the English version.
So, let me call my colleagues who will be joining Richard on stage. Lady, and Mr.
Ito yung kakanta sa amin mamaya, mga kadamay.
He is the last year's winner for the singing contest, and his first time to sing in front of the ASEAN family, and he's really arrived elections officer.
Once again, a round of applause for Nadine, Louie, and yours truly.
Ang init mga kadamay, ang dami pagkain.
Okay, this is Arif.
Malaysia mga kadamay. Laos pala yun. Brunei, Cambodia, Indonesia, Myanmar. Indonesia, Cambodia, Brunei, Malaysia, Philippines. Every year may ganito mga kadamay. Dito sa Long Island dinadaos yan. Sarap, libre lahat ng mga pagkain yan. Ganda yan mga kadamay. Nandyan sila sa loob, nakakantahan sila. Dito na ako sa labas. Ang init ngayon. Nasa 87 pa Fahrenheit. Kapag sa Celsius siguro mga nasa 31 or 28. Yan yung Temple of Thailand dito sa Long Island. Ang lahat ng diplomat car. Daming diplomat car ngayon. All of Asia. Ang ganda, oh. Picnic sila. Dami yan. Mga diplomat car lahat, oh. Halos. Gilid lang tayo mga kadamay kasi ang init eh. Ang kulimlim dito, oh. Masarap tambay. Ito na mga sasakyan mga kadamay. Dami talaga Pilipino kahit sa mission, mga Pilipino sa trabaho. Nandyan, ang bilis mo ubos yung Jollibee ng Philippines. Yung sa amin, ubos na rin. Ako yun nasa normal na trabaho. Sa Indonesia, mayroon dyan 2. Sa Thailand, marami. Mga 12 yata, mga Pilipino dyan nagtatrabaho. Sa Burma, 5 kami. Ang dami talaga. Hanggang alas 10 kami dito mga kadamay. Yan. Every year, ganito kami. Sobrang init naman ngayon. Ang daming ASEAN. Next generation na yan, nakita mo, ang dami, oh. Ang daming mga bata. Nanghingi ako. Yan, iningi ko. Libre naman yan eh. Okay, hanggang dito na lang mga kadamay. Tag-uguan pala yun eh. Ang dami niya na. Pwede makahingi. Sige, hingi ako mamaya. Ang daming Jollibee. Tuwan-tuwa mga bata. Natalo. Hindi ako umabot. Hindi tayo umabot. Naubos na yata ang pagkain nila. Wala na. Ubos. Ito na lang sa amin, oh. Masarap to mga ano, coconut nut also. Naubos na rin. Nahulog no, kadama yun. Ito masarap no.
Charlie 是 A 嚟嘅，謝唔咯。